I got a bad feeling, boys. Did y'all hear that fuel pump prime when I did that? When I first plugged it in? I do not like that. I literally heard the fuel pump prime when I switched this into off. The headlights work.
And always having to yell, "Look in my car!"
So, playing with this deal, I realized when I would turn it to the off position, I could hear something clicking in the dash. Like I don't know if it was like the AC blower motor or someone right. So, and I remember, well, you got to have it key on. We can't get the running lights to work whatsoever, but the blinkers work no matter which position the switch is in. So we fixed that issue, and then I just happened to stick my hand in here in this cavity, and I seen these two grounds and the OG OBD1 plug in this. So I thought, let me try to ground them out right quick. So I did that, and the blinkers started working like no matter what. So I was like, oh, okay. But the running lights don't work no matter what. So we're gonna try to start the truck. Maybe I wired it backwards and it's looped into the running circuit. I don't know. What the fuck? running side is burned out of all 4 bulbs. Now I gotta replace all the bulbs and see if that's true. Does the blinker still work? The blinker? Okay, so the blinkers work. Hazards work? Does it work? Alright, now watch it. Did it go off? Still on? Now it's off? Did it stay on? Just the one running light? Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. Just that one?
Yep.
Okay. I'll take that. Okay, so I'll actually properly ground those now. So it was the 2 grounds that were right by the OBD1 port original to the 95, and then I just so happened to think fuck this thing and smacked it, and that running light started working, but these don't. So I wonder, since these are dual element bulbs, if the no, because they work if you push the brake pedal. They worked before. Let me do that.
Do the doohickey.
The running lights?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay. Where my damn key go? Did I put my keys down already? No, they're right here. As always. Running lights?
Nope.
Interesting. Okay, so we fixed that problem. What a beach. All right, so I'm gonna buy, no, it's gotta be grounds now. It's got to be grounds. Because I found those 2 and that made the blinker start working properly. So I think I have that one instrument panel ground that's supposed to be like back in the middle of the dash. I think that one's like non-existent, but I'm gonna let this thing charge for a little bit. That old switch was actually killing the battery. So all the weeks it sat charged and I'd come out here and fire it up, it'd start. Well, that day me and Chris came out here and hooked this ground up from here to there. The battery was like on 5 volts the next time we came out. So I was like, okay, that's weird. And then James was out here Sunday night. We had a cookout and me and James were probing some stuff. And probing some stuff. We took this and checked continuity from here to chassis. No continuity. So then we T-tapped a wire in here and ran it to ground and then tried that. And if you would take that wire and touch it to the column right here, the horn would honk. And if I'm not mistaken, the horn operates off of ground. Like when you hit the switch, it grounds it. So I'm like, okay, well, if you touch it to there and the horn goes off, you're grounding the column out, which grounds the switch of the horn out, which means it's grounded. So we were messing with the wheel right here, and if he'd wiggle it just right, Well, I guess it won't do it now, but if he would wiggle it just right, the blinkers, you could hear the blinker clicking, and we were like, wait a minute. So if you would peg the wheel all the way, see? Oh fuck, we got a big problem. That's me rolling my dome light switch all the way on, primes the fuel pump. Okay, so that's priming the fuel pump and turning the ECM on. I can hear that. Holy shit. Okay, so I got to check this circuit some more, because there's got to be some issue if you... So, all my wiring guys, it's time to clock in. So, we now have a new issue. Brand new switch with, oh wait, okay, wait. Maybe if I ground these, maybe that won't happen. On this very awesome ground right here. Okay, those are in there decent. So still do it. No. Now that comes on when, oh! Running lights?
Nope.
Fuck.
Next track.
Oh.
The running lights are the bottom ones or the top ones?
The bottom ones.
Yeah, no.
Why was that arcing right there? Why? Y'all just seen that? That arced. Oh, it just fried that bulb. Okay. Let's quit fucking with that. Y'all's turn. So if I have that grounded, this arcs in here, and I just fried that bulb. With those two grounded. So... y'all tell me what's next. That's it for this one. The Hot Boy Summer Drop is live. Go to the website, MattyXBuilds.com. The link is in the description. Head over there. I've got the black and blue tees for the boys or the girls. It's up to y'all. It's a unisex shirt. And then I also got some pink Bella Canvas V-necks with Hot Girl Summer on them. For the girls. Out of stock of mediums right now, but I got everything else from small to 2X or XL, I think. So, and I got new stickers, so y'all head over to the website. If you like it, grab it. I would love for y'all to support the channel. Help me figure this shit out. And other than that, peace out, be human, and we'll see you later.
Oh, what?
That damn gunshots, boy. Alright, JK, so I grounded these back out because, you know, this thing was shocking. And apparently, that light bulb ain't burned out. And this ain't sparking no more. But the key is not on. And the running lights still don't work. And... okay, that's the fuel pump prime. There's an interesting situation here. If you unground these, not grounded, and you roll this switch all the way down, or up, I mean, the fuel pump primes. So if these are ungrounded, the fuel pump primes, but if you ground them, then the switch works kind of like it's supposed to, but I still don't have running lights. So if I ground these two wires right here, I'll have everything I need except front running lights. My front running lights don't work. Rear running lights work. Brake lights work. Hazards work. Both side blinkers work, front and back, just no front running lights. And I banged on it and one bulb will work. The far driver's side running light bulb works, but the other three don't. And I know they're not burned out because remember when we were pushing the brake, the whole row came on. So, oh wait, does the running lights come on now?
No.
Oh. No?
No.
Okay. Anyways, peace out. Be human. We'll see you later.